So in this video, you'll learn how to manually change the region and time zone on your Samsung Galaxy A07. So the first step is to just navigate to settings, and in settings, you want to scroll and select the option General Management. From here, you're then going to tap on Date and Time, and then in order for you to change your region and time zone manually, you're going to have to start by disabling Automatic Time Zone. So just tap on the toggle next to it to turn it off, and then you should see this option, Select Time Zone. Select that. From here, the first step is to change your region. So go ahead and tap on Region, and then scroll through the list or use the search function to select your region. Once you've done that, you'll then have successfully changed the region of your A07. Alternatively, if you've chosen a region that has multiple time zones, say for example you choose a region such as Australia, then you will also be prompted to choose the time zone that you want to be in. So let's just select that one. And you can see here, the region and time zone have been successfully set. If you've accidentally selected a time zone, then you can just go ahead and tap on it again and choose the one that you wanted to select the first time. And then once you've done that, you can go back and then changes will be applied to your A07. And so that is how you can manually change the region and time zone of your Samsung Galaxy A07. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.